Islamabad is also home to the iconic Faisal Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the world. Its unique contemporary design with towering minarets and a massive triangular prayer hall is a must-see. Beauty of Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan, nestles against the backdrop of the magnificent Margalla Hills. Islamabad is a city that perfectly blends natural splendors with modern architecture. So, whether you are looking for natural beauty, agriculture, marvels, or agriculture experiences, Islamabad has it all. It's a city that captivates the heart and soul, leaving visitors with unforgettable memories. The stunning Margalla Hills. These hills are part of the Himalayan foothills and provide a lush green backdrop to the city. The Margalla Hills National Park is a haven of hikers and nature. Trails as the evening approached, the temperature started to drop slightly, settling into a cool and pleasant 20 degrees. This made for an ideal evening to take a stroll in the parks, enjoy a cup of tea at cafe, or simply relax at home with the windows open, letting in the fresh air. Overall, it was a beautiful day in Islamabad, showcasing the city's wonderful early summer weather, warm